Hello everyone, this is Subhas Sunawara and you are watching HTML and CSS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up an editing environment on your local machine. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use default code editor that are already installed on your local machine. To get that one, just go to Start menu right here, and it's going to opens up the apps tile and type notepad, notepad, and then it's going to opens up the default notepad editor, and then you can code your HTML code over here. So I'm just gonna minimize this one and show you the other one, how to do the so other one is notepad++. That's a notepad++. It's easy to download, and you can just copy this address on your machine and then search for it. It's gonna opens up home page, and you can download it from here, the latest version. So download from here, and once you download it, you have to say yes and select your language, click next, agree the terms and condition, and select the location, or you can use the default one, or you can use the wherever you want to put your app in, and click next and click next again. You can check this box. By checking this box, you can create a shortcut on your desktop. If you don't want it, you just uncheck it and then click install. Since I already installed this Notepad++, I'm not going to do it again. So you do it, and once you do that, it's gonna be like this. And then from here you can code your HTML. Okay, this is it for the Notepad++. I'm going to show you the other one, which is much popular one nowadays, which is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, download, and then download Visual Studio Code. Go to right here. You can use this Windows right here. For the Windows user, for the Linux user, you can download this one. For the Mac user, you can use the Mac one. Depending on what machine you are using, you can use either one of these. So once you download it, Visual Studio Code, it's kind of looks like this welcome screen. You can just ignore this welcome, just cross it out, and then you can create a file, new file, and open the file, open the folder. You can do everything from here, or you can use a shortcut. Okay, so I will see you in the next video with a more detailed explanation about the Visual Studio Code. I'm not going to do the Notepad++ and Notepad because I'm just going to use this one, Visual Studio Code. So I will talk more about Visual Studio Code. So stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. And one more thing, just don't forget to subscribe my channel. All right? See you in the next video. Bye.